try to get one educational video, or actually I try to get a couple, because now that I'm getting monetized on TikTok, there's no point in me posting if I'm not gonna make money. I promise you, I could care fucking less. If I'm not gonna make money, why am I posting? That's how I feel. So I think I'm gonna try to switch it up just to kind of multiply my content. Like right now, this video right here, this is gonna be a how to comb out your curls video. Because people don't understand, like, you have to comb out your curls a certain way, or they're not gonna come out like that good. So if I could teach them and the video gets 500,000 views, shit, that's a couple $1,000s for me. And the video has to be at least a minute, so that's easy. I just stall the time, do some bull, like I'm doing right now. But look at that, look how beautiful that looks. And girls are gonna see this and be like, oh wow, that's how I come out the curls? That looks so good. And I'm looking at the time, I'm past 1 minute, easy. So this is a video right here in itself. Boom. So that's how y'all do it. And to get monetized on TikTok, you only need 1,000 followers and 100,000 watch hours. And I know that sounds like a lot, but for somebody who's already active, if you're already active, you just gotta make sure you post shit. Low key, when I was trying to get monetized, I got lucky because I posted an educational video that got like 100,000 views. So that got me in the door. But I was intentionally trying to post content that would get me those views. So that's how, you know what I'm saying? So with TikTok, what I'm learning, even on Instagram, and I've been growing both of my platforms, you gotta be very intentional. People want to know who, what, why, when, where, how. How can I do that? And you gotta show them. And people be like, well, I don't wanna give the game up for free, la la dee, la la dee. Okay, baby, but these courses that you're selling are not even making you any money, baby. Or the courses that you think you're trying to sell, you haven't even started. So guess what? All that, I don't want to give free game out. Okay, but you're not doing anything at all. So please be for real. I had to tell myself, girl, yes, I know you have curling courses and this, that, and the third, but the curling courses, I mean, they were selling, but TikTok, I have more opportunity to make a bigger return on TikTok in the beginning, like right now. Once I get more popular and I start going viral more on TikTok, then I'll get more girls interested in trying to get exclusive content. So that's why I'm just like, I'm focusing on trying to get that bag on TikTok, okay? Cause baby, who don't want to learn this? I could teach girls how to do this. I do it on live every day. Y'all are literally watching me. I know what the fuck I'm doing, period. And it's, oh God, it's too easy for me too. Baby, this was too easy for me. Too goddamn easy. And I'm done. I don't even have to redo anything. Lord, girl, bye. The girls are gonna zoy. So now I have at least 3 educational videos that can make me money on TikTok. I have the process that I'm gonna edit a video for the process.